Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. This is Sofa and today we're gonna have another awesome review. Now, since it's my birthday today, I have received an awesome gift from my wife. Well, it's actually not an award, but it still has to do with the military. Now, I got this awesome Zippo ladder, originally packed freshly from the US, and as you can see, all markings on it. Well, it has to do with the army. Now, I don't want to spoil it, or I don't want to stretch it out too much. Let's start and see what I got. Here we go. I got this awesome United States Army logo on my Zippo. Now, this is something pretty awesome because, as you can see, it is actually an official license product. It's not a bootleg or anything like that. And well, what to say? That's actually the gift from my wife to me. Pretty amazing, and I received also an engraving on the backside. Just give me 1 second. We will just go there in 1 second. Here's the markings. The seal is pretty awesome. It's kind of like thick. And when we open up, that specific sound, I mean, like anybody who owns Zippo recognizes a real Zippo by the sound itself. Now, open it up. Here we go. There's the engraving. Engraving. It's the markings here. Pretty nice piece. Here we go. Just stick it in back. Pretty amazing piece. And here we go. On the back side, it says "Happy birthday to my beloved husband, 26/02/2021." So, pretty amazing piece. Will carry that with me, and yeah, just Zippos, man. You can't say much more. I mean, like, Zippos are Zippos. You need to own one if you like stuff which is pretty cool. It's kind of like same as the Leatherman, which I really adore, and these are like really classic items to have or to own. Now, this is a pretty beautiful piece. Now, I will finish actually the video today. It's as I said, like, it's a very short one. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, click on that little bell in the corner to get notified with new videos once I upload them, and leave me a comment. So thank you very much. Enjoy your weekend, and don't forget, Zippos are the best. Have a nice one.